Thank you for watching my video once again. My name is Mr. Charles. In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss configuration of opto-isolators. Opto-isolators, it has 4 legs, it has 6 legs, it has 8 legs, it has 16 legs. But before we proceed with that, I want to show you those legs. What I mean by the different legs that it has. You can also call it pin. It has 4 pin, 8 pin, 16 pin, and 6 pin. So let's proceed. All these ones are called 4 pins. This one are the finishing touch of 4 pins. This one is 6 pins. And the finishing touches as well. Also 6 pins. 6 pin as well, but this one here is for AC. The other one that I was showing you before is for DC. The same thing, 6 legs, 6 pin or 6 legs. This one is dual, being 8 legs. This one also is for AC. 8 legs as well. Dual, 8 leg as well. This is the finishing part of 8 legs. All these ones now, this one is 16 pins or 16 legs. And this one is also the finishing touch, being the end product aspect of it. Now let's go back to the 4 pins or 4 legs. Now, in this particular configuration, in 4 legs, just remember what I said. In 4 legs, we have phototransistor as well as photodilating. It also has 8 legs, but presently what we are going to discuss here right now and then is 4 legs and 6 legs. So in this case, here where you see pin number and internal connection diagram. Number 1 here is anode, 2 cathode, 3 is emitter, while 4 is connector. Now in this case, let me use this diagram to explain what I'm about to do now. Here is the diode. Here is the diode, which says the device converts the electrical energy into a beam of light. Light emitting diode, and then direct it towards light sensors such as phototransistor or photodilating. Now in this case, here is what do the main job aspect of it. Now after when here have been done its own part, it will convert it straight to light sensors, and the light sensors could be a phototransistor. It can also be a photodilating. Now from this place now you can see that here is the dot. Here it differentiates or demarcates. This dot will show you that here is number 1, here is number 2, here is number 3, while here is number 4. Now from this place now, once it has collected the ACM being the signal, and it will direct it towards to this light sensor. So you can call it light sensors, you can also call it phototransistor or photodilating, depending on the particular one that you are using as of then. So once this one has been done his own part, it will now direct it towards to this light sensors, and the light sensors will convert it back to electrical energy. That is exactly what optocoupler does. The same thing, you can also call it photodetector, but the right word there is for you to call it light sensors because the light sensor, it combined, it could be a photo transistor, it will also be a photo dilating. But the right word there to use is is light sensors. This is the finishing part of it. Now this is the foreleg, and in this foreleg you can see this dot. This dot, it signifies where this one will connect from the source, while the other two legs will connect from the outside the source. Here, these two legs will collect the current and they will do their job. We now direct it straight to the other light sensors. Light sensors will convert it to optical electrical signal and give it to other components that they are supposed to receive different voltages. Now this one is for 6 legs. 6 legs photo transistor. Is apparently here that we have the configuration of 6 legs and 4 legs. There are big difference. Here we have the same thing here. What happened to 4 leg? The same thing is applicable to 6 leg. They do the same thing, but the difference is the legs being the pins. Now in this place now, 1 and 2 is connected as normal. Now in this particular, this 3 now is no connection. It has no connection. That is what it means. This NC means no connection. Why this anode and cathode, they join together? That is the LED. LED will collect the voltage, will perform his own duty. After that, it will direct it to light sensors. Just as I said, light sensors could be photo transistor or photo dilating. But in this case now, this particular one is photo transistor. So here is a number 4 legs is the emitter, while 5 legs is a connector, 6 is the base, which is here. You can see that we have 2 different configurations altogether. Here it has 2 LED, but in this case it has 1, all depending on the company as well as on the different manufacturer. This one is for photo transistor, 6 legs. Now this one is for photo dilating. The photo dilating, if you understand the basic aspect of what I explained from the 4 pins, is the same thing applied to this place. The difference between the photo transistor and the photo dilating is the configuration, the way it is here. If you watch it here, from here to this place, you also watch how the configuration is here. In this place, it has two light sensors at the same place. It has 2 light sensors at the same place, which the light sensor is what? The photo dilating. Here, it also have similar to photo transistor, all depending on the configuration or on the company, the product of the company, how they want it. Now, in this area as well, it has single channel. The single channel is called 6 leg, while the dual channel is a 8 leg. The same thing what I just explained. This NC means no connection. You know what I have just explained before. All these things here, base, connector, emitter, and so on and so forth. That is what it means here. But in this particular area, the legs increases. While this here now is dual, it means 8 legs. Here we have two LED. In this place, we also have 2 LED. 3 and 4 are connected. 1 and 2 are connected. The same thing apply here. If you check very well, 3 and 4 we send the signal to 5 and 6. 1 and 2 will send their own signal to 8 and 7. Thank you once again for watching my video. If you find my video useful, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.